In this video, we are going to learn about 4 types of cardioids. We have cardioids are 4 types. The first one is R equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. We see the rough sketch of the cardioid R equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. That is, this is a polar curve. So, to trace this curve, tracing the curve means drawing the curve. To trace this curve, we have to take polar plane. Polar plane means same like that of Cartesian plane, but here we call this as x-axis, but here we call this as initial line. In Cartesian plane, we call this as x-axis, and in polar plane we call this as initial line. That is, first the positive x-axis we call it as theta 0 and negative x-axis as theta equal to pi. This is theta equal to pi by 2. Positive y-axis theta pi by 2 and negative y-axis theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Means positive x-axis as theta 0. The radii vector, this is theta pi by 2, theta equal to pi and theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Theta means rotation. If you complete one rotation, theta equal to 2 pi. Theta 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and theta equal to 2 pi. So that's why theta equal to 2 pi coincides with theta equal to 0. Now, R equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. This is the radii vector theta equal to 0. So this also we call as a xy plane. Generally, how we place the point in 2, 4 in xy plane means order pair x, y. How we place? Along x-axis 2 units distance and along y-axis 4 unit distance. Point 2, 4 means here we place the point 2, 4. Now, this is the way how we place points on Cartesian plane. Now, we observe how to place r, theta. Now, we are observing this as the polar plane. How we plot points? Polar Cartesian means x, y. Polar means the variables are r and theta. R means magnitude. R is magnitude in the direction of theta. R is magnitude in the direction of theta. So, magnitude means length. How we place the point 1, pi by 2? Means R1 theta pi by 2. In the direction of theta means in the direction of pi by 2 means along this direction take the magnitude 1 unit. So 1, pi by 2 means we place the point here. Similarly, a, pi. How to place the point a, pi in the polar plane means generally r, theta means r is the magnitude in the direction of theta. So, in the direction of pi direction means this one. In the direction of pi, take the magnitude a units. Means this is a unit. This is the magnitude a, length a. From generally in Cartesian plane we call this as origin 0, 0. In polar plane we call this as a pole. So, from pole take the magnitude a units in the direction of pi. So, a, pi means this is the point. So, this is the way of placing points in polar plane. Now we see the rough sketch of r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Here, put theta equal to 0. If you put theta equal to 0 in this one, you have cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So, r equal to a into 1 plus 1, you will get r value 2a. So the point r comma theta means 2a comma 0. So in the direction of theta equal to 0, take the magnitude 2 units. So the rough sketch of r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is this one. This is r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, cardioid. This is the point 2a comma 0. This is 2a units distance in the direction of theta 0. Now if you put theta equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 value 0 means 0 plus 1, 1. So if you put theta equal to pi by 2, r value becomes a. So the point r comma theta is a comma pi by 2. So in the direction of pi by 2, take the magnitude a units, that is a comma pi by 2. This is a units distance. Generally cardioid is symmetric about the initial line. So this is a units, clearly this also a units distance, a comma 3 pi by 2. Now in the direction of theta equal to pi means when theta equal to pi, cos pi value minus 1. Remember cos n pi equal to minus 1 whole power n. So cos pi value minus 1 plus 1 0, r value 0. So in the direction of theta equal to pi, magnitude is 0. That's why cardioid starts from the pole. This is a rough sketch of r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. The next cardioid is r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Its rough sketch is initial line theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, and this is pole theta equal to pi by 2, theta equivalent to 3 pi by 2. R equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is towards the positive x-axis, and this is negative x-axis. Same values you will get. This is 2a magnitude in the direction of theta equal to pi, and this is a units. Here also a units. This is r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Once check it. When theta 0, substitute theta 0, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So magnitude is 0 in the direction of theta equal to 0. Similarly, when theta equal to pi, theta pi, cos pi minus 1, that means r equal to 2a. That's why in the direction of pi, you got magnitude 2a units distance. And the third cardioid is r equal to a into 1 plus sin theta. Its rough sketch is theta 0, theta pi by 2, theta equal to pi, theta equal to 3 pi by 2. R equal to a into 1 plus sin theta towards positive y-axis. This is 2a units, and here this is a units. Similarly, it also a units. If you observe theta, once check it, how you got this one, how to remember means, in the direction of theta equal to 0 means substitute theta 0 here, sin 0, 0 means r equal to a. Theta equal to pi by 2. If you put theta pi by 2 here, sin pi by 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2a. So in the direction of theta equal to pi by 2, magnitude is 2a. Now the fourth cardioid is r equal to a into 1 minus sin theta. Its a rough sketch is theta 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi, theta equal to 3 pi by 2. This is r equal to a into 1 minus sin theta. 2a units and this is a units. So clearly 4 types of cardioids: r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, r equal to a into 1 plus sin theta, r equal to a into 1 minus sin theta. All are these two cardioids are symmetric about the initial line, and these two cardioids are symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. That means symmetric about y-axis. Now we see the problem. Evaluate double integral r sin theta dr d theta over the cardioid r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta above the initial line. So we have to evaluate double integral over the cardioid above the initial line. So for this one, first note down the rough sketch of the cardioid r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Theta 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi, theta equal to 3 pi by 2. R equal to a into 1 minus cos theta means it is symmetric about initial line. Negative x-axis, it is 2a units and clearly it is a units. This is the point a comma pi by 2. This is 2a comma pi. We have to evaluate double integral r sin theta dr d theta above the initial line. Initial line means x-axis. Initial line means x-axis. Above the initial line means over this shaded part. Over this shaded part, we have to over the region bounded by the cardioid above the initial line. Above the initial line means the region bounded by cardioid above the initial line. In this shaded part, we have to evaluate double integral. So, consider one radii vector. Consider one radii vector. Radii vector means theta 0, 1 radii vector. Theta equal to pi by 2, 1 radii vector. So here consider one radii vector starting from origin and passing through the region of integration. So this is the radii vector. Clearly, radii vector starts from pole and passing through the region of integration. The pole 0, 0 also in the region of integration in the shaded part. So the starting point of the radii vector includes the region of integration. So our limits are from 0 to the end. The radii vector exits from region of integration at the boundary of the cardioid. At this point the radii vector is exiting. So the curve is r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So upper limit of r is a into 1 minus cos theta. The radii vector, consider radii vector in the region of integration. In the region of integration, pole also present. Pole also involves in the region of integration. So r limit 0 to the radii vector enters into the region at pole and exits at the boundary of the cardioid. Boundary means equation is r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So r limits are from 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now we require theta limits. theta means there is the rotation, degree rotation. So cardioid starts at theta 0 and another end point to cardioid above the initial line means theta equal to pi. So theta limits are from 0 to pi. Cardioid starts at initial line, that is theta 0, and ends at theta equal to pi because they mention above the initial line part only. So theta 0 to theta equal to pi. So theta limits are 0 to pi. R limits are 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta. As R limits are in terms of theta, here the variables are R and theta. So R limits are in terms of the variable theta. So first do with respect to R integration. So integral R becomes R square by 2 sin theta as it is. Limits are 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta d theta. It is equal to 1 by 2. In place of R, limit substitution. So a square 1 minus cos theta whole square sin theta d theta. So here theta limits are 0 to pi. It is equal to half into a square integral 1 minus cos theta whole square sin theta d theta. Theta limits is 0 to pi. Now to evaluate this integral, go for the substitution, that makes the simple. Put 1 minus cos theta equal to t. So differentiate. For cos theta derivative minus sin theta d theta equal to dt. So sin theta d theta equal to dt. According to this substitution, change the limits. There is given limits are theta from 0 to pi. When theta equal to 0, in place of theta, this is our substitution. Here substitute the given limits. Theta 0, that means 1 minus cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. So t becomes 0. So when theta 0, t becomes 0. When theta equal to pi, substitute theta equal to pi. 1 minus cos pi equal to t. 1 minus. Already we know cos n pi equal to minus 1 whole power n. So cos pi means in place of n 1 means cos pi minus 1. So t value 2. So t limits theta from 0 to pi changes as t from 0 to 2. So according to these limits, the integral turns to half a square, 0 to pi turns to 0 to 2. 1 minus cos theta means t substitution, t square. Sin theta d theta becomes a dt equal to half a square integral t square t cube by 3. Limits 0 to 2. Half a square 8 by 3 by substituting upper limit 2. So 4 by 3 a square is the evaluation of double integral r sin theta dr d theta over the cardioid.